Yes, hello children. Today we are going to see Standard 5th English Bal Bharti, Standard 5th, lesson number 10. Lesson number 10 is 3 sacks of rice. Our topic is 3 sacks of rice. You may have read many stories about three brothers. Usually, two of them, the elder ones, are strong, clever, but unkind. They laugh at the youngest one because he is too simple and soft hearted. Yes, children, you may have read many stories about three brothers, usually of two brothers, which are very strong, clever, but unkind. And they are laughing at the youngest one, which is very simple and soft hearted. Yes, in our this story we are going to see the story about our three brothers. Our story also has three brothers who lived in a small town, but they were all three of them honest, kind and hardworking. So in this our story it is given about the three brothers and how were they? They were honest, kind and hardworking. The elder one ran a shop, the middle one was a priest, and the youngest one had just finished his education. Now, what was the elder brother doing? The elder brother, he was having a shop. He was working in a shop. And the middle one was a priest. And the youngest one was just to finish his education. Means sabse chota, the youngest one, he has just finished his education. He had started taking up odd jobs to earn some money and to learn a trade. Now this youngest one, what he had done, he had started to taking up an odd jobs and to earn some money and to learn a trade. Trade means like business, a job requiring skills. He was learning a job requiring skill. All three of them were fond of their mothers. She had worked hard to bring up the three of them after the sudden death of their father. Now all these three brothers, what were they doing? They were taking care of their mother. They were very much loving for their mother. Why? Because her mother, she has worked hard to bring them, three of them, after the sudden death of their fathers. After the father's death, their mother, she has worked very hard and she has bring them up. She has brought them up. She has completed their education, everything. One day, their father's friend visited the mother. He said, "Sister, you know that I have a very prosperous business." Now one day, what happened? One day, their father's friend, what he did, he came to their home and he said that, "Sister, I have one job, I have one business." He told one that he was having one prosperous business, means one successful business. He was having one plan for a business. "But now I am getting old and my only daughter is of a marriageable age. I am looking for a son-in-law who would be a good husband to my daughter and who would also handle my business well." Now what this father's friend told, he told that he is getting old and what he could do, he was having a daughter who is of a marriageable age. ओके जिसका भी शादी का उम्र था और क्या करना था उसको. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ सन इन लॉ. ही वॉज सर्चिंग फॉर सन इन लॉ हु वुड बी अ गुड हस्बैंड फॉर द डॉटर. देन who would also handle my business well. He was searching a son-in-law that who would handle his business very well. I liked all your sons. Yes, so what his father's friend told, that he was looking for a son-in-law for his daughter to get married. Okay, so and he was very well known to these three brothers. So what he told, I like all your sons. If you permit, I will marry my daughter to one of them, but before that I have a plan. Now what he told, that he will marry one of his daughter, but before that he was having one plan. So what he told, that he discussed the plan with her and she agreed quite readily. So that mother, what she did, she agreed with that plan. She was ready for listening the plan. The next day, the friend went to each of the three brothers one by one. He gave them each a sack of rice and said, "My dear boy, I am going away for a few months for some necessary work. Please look after this sack of rice till I come back." Now what this friend told, this father's friend, what he did the next day, what he did, he came to three of the brothers one by one, and what he did, he gave them a sack of rice. He gave one sack of rice to each of them. "My dear boy, I am going for a few months." So what that friend told, that he is going for a few months, and so he gave a sack of rice to them, each of them, and told that just take care of that till I am coming back. So next, the friend went away. Many months passed, but he did not return. It was nearly a year before he came back. So the friend, he was away for many days, and how much it was? It was nearly a year before he came back. So what he did then, he visited the eldest brother first. The eldest brother welcomed him and gave him a small purse full of money. Now what this friend did, he first visited the eldest brother, and what this eldest brother did, he welcomed him and he gave him a small purse full of money. "Uncle, you had left a sack of rice with me. After a few months, I was worried that it may get spoiled. Therefore, I sold the rice to my customers. Here's the money I got. Please accept it." Now what this eldest brother did, he has sold that rice. He sold that sack of rice to the customer, because that rice will get spoiled. So that what he did, he has sold that rice, and that money only he was giving to that friend, and he told that, "Uncle, please accept it." The uncle told, "Thank you, my boy. You are such an honest person." This uncle told thank you to that eldest brother, and then he went back. Then the friend went to see the middle brother, who was a priest. The priest greeted him with joy and affection. After meeting the eldest brother, this friend, he went to meet the middle brother, who was a priest. And what he did, the priest also, he also greeted him with joy and affection. He said, "Uncle, remember you had left a sack of rice with me an year ago? I had kept it for many months, but then I was worried that it may get spoiled. I distributed the rice among the poor in your name." Now what this priest he had done, he also, what he has done, he has given that rice to the poor people. Why? Because again that rice will get spoiled, and for that what he has done, he has given that rice to the poor people in name of his friend. "They also blessed you for satisfying their hunger. However, I did that without your permission, and I am willing to pay you back for the rice." Now what this priest, he told, this middle brother, he told that, "I have this all poor people, they have given you the blessings, because all they were satisfied by having that rice, and this I have given without your permission, and for that I will pay you back for the rice." Like this, that the middle brother told to the friend. "No, my boy, you acted wisely and kindly. The blessings that I got from the poor people are enough for me." Now what this friend told, that, "No, you have done a correct job. You have done very good act, that you have given the poor people the sack of rice. So all them, they have given what? They have given blessing for me. That is enough for me." Like this the friend told to the priest. "Please don't even think about the money anymore." So this uncle told that, please don't think about the money. He told to that middle brother. When the friend went to visit the youngest son, he too welcomed him with love and respect. Now this friend, where he went to meet the youngest son. He went to meet the last brother. Okay. And this youngest son also, he also welcomed him very nicely with love and respect. but he said that he had a confession to make. Now what this youngest brother told, he had one confession. What confession he has to tell? The sack of rice was lying with me for a long time, but then I had an idea. I often go to a neighboring farm to help with the work. Now this youngest one, what he has done, what he has done with that sack of rice, what he told, that the rice was lying with me for a long time. So he was having an idea. What idea he was having? That he went to a neighboring farm to help with the work. Now what he has done, I borrowed an unused plot of land from the farmer. Now what he has done, he has borrowed an unused farm. जो खेती करने के लिए जो जगह थी, उसने क्या किया, उसने किसी से बोरो किया, लैंड बोरो किया. ओके, आई एक्सचेंज द सैक ऑफ राइस फॉर पैडी एंड सोव्ड the paddy in the plot. Now what this youngest brother he has done, he has sowed that sack of rice. Okay, then fortunately the crop grew well and yielded 25 sacks of rice. Now this fortunately, luckily, what happened, this rice crop grew very well and 25 sacks of rice was collected. I have kept back 5 of the sacks and sold 20 of them. Now what this younger brother he has done, he has kept 5 sacks of rice with him and he has sold 20 of them. How many sacks he sold? He sold 20 sacks of rice. Here's the money. If you allow, I would like to keep a part of it as my share, considering the labor and money I spent to get it all done. Now what this youngest brother told, as I have done hard work, so I want to keep a part of my share, considering the labor and the money what I have spent. Like this the youngest brother he told to that father's friend. Okay, a wide smile spread on the friend's face. He had found his future son-in-law. Now this friend's father's friend, what he has found, he found that the youngest brother is very talented and how he has done use of that sack of rice. What he has done, he has borrowed the land from somebody and then he has sowed that rice and he has grew that crop, and because of that one sack, how many sacks he has done, he has grew that crop and he has made 25 sacks. So what he has done, from that one sack of rice he has grew 25 more sacks. So what he has done, he was very intelligent, and also this friend told that he is only my future son-in-law. Okay, so like this story is given in this chapter, children. I hope you are clear with this chapters of all 3 brothers who were honest, kind and hardworking, how they were fond of their mother and how they have done use of their one sack of rice was given to each brother and how they have done the use. Okay children, thank you.